Hello people of the internet, this is definitely a different video. I'm standing, you can see my whole body. Yes, I'm fat, congratulations. By the way, as I always start every single video, if you hear any weird noises, it's either my cats or my neighbors, one of the two. Let's just get right into this. So I wanted to just make this small video because, well, I don't know how long this is going to be, but I wanted to make this video because I just got a couple of new tops and a new swimsuit top from Torrid, and as you can see, I'm a large girl. That's okay. It doesn't hurt anybody. Deal with it. So, I wanted to make this video to try on those tops for anybody that was thinking of shopping at Torrid, and I'm going to let you know about the prices. I also am kind of doing, like, I don't know if anybody who is watching this has seen Sarah Ray Vargas doing her videos like this. I'm kind of doing that, but yeah. So I figured, why not? Because I'm also a poor college student and I always get things on sale. So, here we are. And I'll let you know the sizes and the prices. I'll try and put the things down below. A couple of the things I got were on clearance, so we're just going to dive right into it. By the way, this is not sponsored at all by Torrid or anything. I'm just doing it because I like their clothes. And you'll probably see Apollo or Artemis in this video quite a bit. So, enjoy them. And we're going to get right into it. Alright, so this is the first top. I got this in a size 3. For those of you that don't know, Torrid does their sizing a little bit weird. Usually in Torrid I fit into like a 2 or 3. Some of these I got too big because they're in clearance and they only had like a size 4 available. So they actually tore off the bottom half of the tag. So, and I don't understand the invoice thing, so I'm just going to check on my phone. I'm also waiting for my Jimmy John's to arrive because I'm hungry. So this is called the Sophie Brick Red Chiffon Double Layered Swing Cami. I mean, I like the top, it's cute, and it's nice and flowy for the summer and spring. It's just, it doesn't really give me any shape because it's a little too big, and yeah. So this was originally $38.90, and I got 30% off. So I saved $11.68 for this. So this is what it looks like from the front and from the back. Like I said, I like it. It's a nice light fabric. And yeah. Alright, I'm back again. I'm not going to say that every time, I promise. So, this right here is the Sophie Dusty Rose Floral Crisscross Double Layered Swing Cami. So originally, this was priced at $38.90. I got this in a 4X. This, like, you can tell it's way too big on me. Like, I got a lot of room in here. And I have to keep adjusting it because of my bra. So this is what the front looks like, as you can see. And then the back. I'm still gonna wear it even though it's too big. It's still nice for winter, or not winter, jeez. Still nice for summer, and I mainly got a lot of these tops and the swimsuit top because I'm going to Florida in April, so I'm excited. So, like I said, originally it was $38.90. This was actually in the clearance, so I got an extra, it was already like 50% off, so then it was $28.98, or not 50, I don't know. It was on the clearance. And I then got another $14.49 off on it. So that's made me save a lot of money on it. And as you can still see, the cats are both currently on my bed. Enjoy them. And now we're going to move right along to the next one. Alright, this is the third top. This one is called the Dusty Pink Crop Stretch Chalice Fit and Flare Cami. This one was also on clearance. The last one was as well. This one I also got in a 4X. You can still see that's, like, you can still tell it's a little bit big on me, but it actually fits a lot nicer than I thought it would. This is the front. It has some nice button detailings. It's, of course, fake buttons. The back. And this, again, this was originally $42.90. It went down to $29.98 for clearance. And then I got an additional 50% off of that. Right now I'm not ready to do math. I mean, I could probably try and look it up on this. Don't mind me, just trying to see if I can figure this out. So, okay, on this one, I think I only... This is the Dusty Pink. Wear out the Dusty Pink. I think, okay, for this one, I only paid $14.49 or $15.30 with tax. The other one, the chiffon one, like where, like I didn't really like the first one. That one I only paid $15.81, and then the color, or the one with the flowers on it, I only paid, oh my goodness, I have no idea. Sorry guys, do not understand this at all. So we're just gonna, yeah. I'll try and put the prices on the screen at some point, wherever, like how much I actually paid. So, yeah, that's this one. Now we're gonna go into the next. Alright, here's this one. Here's the front. This one I actually really like. It's more of a cropped one, so you can see my belly. I mean, I'm wearing black leggings, so you can't really see. But this one is really cute. I really like it. It's in a size 3. This one is called the Gray Floral Chalice Fit and Flare Midi Cami, and I got it in a size 3. And, oh gosh. Cat, no. Sorry, cat's trying to chew on shirts. So what I'm going to do, actually, I figured out at the end, is I'm going to reiterate every top that I got, and if I paid full price, the sales price that I got on it, and how much my total was at the end, rather than trying to figure this all out. So, here's this one, front and back. 2 more to go. Here we go. Alright, this is the last top. This one is called Fuchsia Pink Floral Giorecha, whatever, drop lace high-low cami. It's very cute, it's very out there, it's very pink. And this is the front and the back. And it's very cute, very nice, very soft, and everything. Don't mind my stomach. Whoops. Well, you're gonna see it here in a sec, so that's okay. And again, I'm going to do all the pricing things at the end. So I'll be right back. This is the last item. It's a swimsuit top. It's kind of big on my boob area because I don't have the biggest chest. I also don't currently have it clipped, but I tried it on clipped. I got in a size 3. This was also the one of the ones that I got on clearance. And again, at the end, I'm going to show each item, and I'm going to just tell you how much each item was, how much I paid for it, and how much my total was. So, this is the swim top. It's a very cute. Don't mind that I don't have that clipped. It's very warm in here, and my food just arrived, and yeah. So, this is called the Aqua Blue Floral Underwire Bikini Top. So it has underwiring under here, and it feels like it has some boning right here. It's not that bad. I have another swim top from Torrid that I really like, so I wanted another one just because, again, going on vacation, and I keep just touching my boobs, and now you can hear Artemis running around, and now she's playing with something, and yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to go right into the end where I'm going to show you everything again, and how much it was. I'm not going to put it all on again, because, woo, that's a lot. So I'll be right back again. Alrighty then. Now I'm going to quickly just go through all the items that I have, and you can see Artemis is playing with the mouse currently in them, and I'm going to let you guys know which 3 are the clearance ones, and which the other 3 were not the clearance ones, which I kind of talked about. So we're going to start off with the clearance ones, because these ones are no longer available. I mean, they still have like size 4, so if you fit into their size 4, I mean, go right ahead. Up to you. But I'm just going to show you each top again and just tell you how much I paid, how much it was, and so on. So this was this top. This one I got in a size 4. Again, I don't usually wear size 4s. This one was originally, I think it was like $38. I don't remember exact price. Then it went down to $28.98, and I need my little sheet that's right here. So this one, see, it's just, the wording is so weird on these. Okay, I think this is it. Hopefully. Size 3. Nope, never mind. Okay, okay, it's this one. So I only paid $15.30 for this top right here. Again, got a size 4. Originally, it was like $38 and everything. So going right down the row, oh my gosh, cat. Oh my goodness. Sorry, my cat is currently making me drop literally everything. So again, this is another one of the clearance ones. By the way, the shirt that I'm currently wearing, this Harry Potter one, oh my gosh, sorry. She's just being very annoying. Go on! Ugh. So, this top right here, this dusty pink one, again, this one was also on clearance. I got in a size 4. It's a little big, but that's fine, I don't mind. This one, I only paid $15.81. Originally, it was like, I want to say 40 something. Before the extra 50% off that I got because of clearance. Sorry, cat again. Go on. It was only $29.98. So again, clearance. Most likely not available anymore, but still size 4 if you fit in that. Next, going on to the swimsuit. It's a cute swimsuit. Again, my boobs are a little bit. Oh my gosh! Can you not? She puts her toys on my vanity and then just. Alright, again, this top, not from Torrid, just wearing it, so yeah. So the swimsuit top. This was originally $24.48. Or not $40. It was originally like $48.96. It's in a size 3. Kind of wish I could have sized down, but I don't think they had a size 2 anymore. It was also in the clearance. I got an extra 50% off because they were having that deal that day, or maybe I don't remember if I got it in line. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I have class, like, in 25 minutes and I still have to eat my dinner or lunch, so oops. And then I only paid $25.82 for this. So that is the 3 items that I got on clearance. Now, these 3 I'm going to put hopefully the links down below so that you guys can go shop for them if you want them. This top is the brick colored chiffon one that was originally $38.90. And for this one, I only paid $28.73 for it because I had there was some type of 30% off deal. I don't know if that deal is still going on, but with Torrid, there's always deals going on. So this one again, I only paid. Sorry, I'm just, yeah. $28.73 is how much I paid for this one, and in a size 3. Next is this gray one, which I really loved. Again, only size 3. I got in a size 3, and originally it was. Need to look. And again, this is also one of the ones that was not on sale, or not on clearance. So I'm gonna put the link down below. It was originally $45.50. I got 30% off of it, and I only paid $33.60 for it. And last but not least, this very pink, hot pink fuchsia color one, which I can't get out of the weird knot that it is currently in. I got in a size 3. Originally it was $39.50. I only paid $29.17 for it because I had 30% off. My entire total for everything was $154.76. So, sorry if I keep getting out of frame. I'm like trying. So, there it is, kind of. So again, this one, link down below if you want it. So, okay. I'm just gonna hold her because she is being a little butt munch. So, Torrid is definitely not the cheapest retailer around for plus size. I mean, a lot of retailers for plus size people is not cheap, unfortunately. And, it kind of sucks. And straight size is just, and straight size realtors, just, So, I just wanted to make this video because there was a sale and I think they're all cute and I wanted to be cute and like Sarah Ray Vargas a little bit. Sorry if this video was kind of a flop and kind of rushed and everything. Like I said, it was just like a spur of the moment thing because I just got those in the mail. I also made a TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm Rosie. Again, you're welcome. And make sure to subscribe down below, like, comment, do the bell thingamabob. We'd all appreciate it here. She is currently purring. I don't know why. I love you, but stop. So, we will see you guys in the next one. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. And make sure to be safe, be kind, and be you. Bye!